Hello, my name is Tyler, and today we're looking at the Roland SP300i. We're going to go over replacing the sheet cut blades, the contour cut blade, and the wipers. So we'll go ahead and do that now. To replace the blade, you're going to go into Menu, down to the sub-menu, to Maintenance, and then you're going to go to Replace Knife. To remove the contour cut blade, all you're going to do is come in here, loosen this screw, and then you should just be able to pull the blade out like this. To remove the blade, there's a pin on this side here. All you're going to do is push the pin, and then you should just be able to pull the blade out from there, and it is removed from the blade holder. To replace it, all you're going to do is get a new blade. This does have a magnet in it, so all you're going to have to do is put the new blade back, and it should just click into place like that. It only needs to be out about 1/4 of a credit card in thickness, so you shouldn't really be able to see it. You should be able to run your finger along it without it cutting you. From there, all you're gonna do is drop it back in, make sure it's sitting flush against this here, and then tighten this screw back down. To replace the sheet cut blade, first thing you're gonna do is loosen this screw here until this whole unit will just slide right out. Sometimes the blade won't come with it, so you'll have to make sure to pull that out separately. This is the back of the blade holder that we just took off. So all you're gonna do here is you're gonna get a new blade, and you're gonna line it up with the half circle on the blade holder with the half circle on the blade. Once those are all lined up there, all you're gonna have to do is just slowly slide this back into where you got it from and tighten down this screw. You're going to want to hold pressure on the front of the blade holder to make sure that the screw can tighten down all the way. To replace the wipers, you're going to go into Menu, down to Sub-menu, to Maintenance, and then you're going to go to Replace Wiper. So first what you want to do is you want to pull out the bottom so that it unclips, and then the whole wiper should just slide right out. What you want to make sure when you put the new one in is that that bottom hole is facing down, and then the fuzzy side is facing the back of the printer. Once you have it lined up properly, you should just be able to slide it in all the way to the bottom and then push in the bottom so that it's clipped back in. That's how you replace the contour cut blade, the sheet cut blade, and the wipers. This is something that is super easy to do, should only really take you a couple of minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in the next video, and if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.